Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 per day watching YouTube videos online. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And with every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel. And it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because if you miss any of the steps, because there's going to be several steps that you're going to have to take in this method. If you miss any of the steps, guys, you're not going to make any money. So please watch this video all the way to the very end to follow the steps and find out the special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm on YouTube and I pulled up Minecraft stream. So these videos right here are people playing Minecraft and they live streaming it. So the reason why I picked Minecraft, a lot of people love Minecraft. It's been around for a while and this game is played by thousands and thousands, probably millions of people. So since this game is still popular, we're going to go ahead and use these videos to make money. So let me show you what you're going to do. You're going to click on one of them. Let's click on one of these videos. So as you can see here, they're playing live right now, playing Minecraft. So what you're going to do is click right here where it says share. And you're going to go ahead and copy the link, the URL link. And what you're going to do is take it to this site. And when you take this link to this site is going to help you make some money with this video. So let me go ahead and go to that site right now. Okay guys, I'm at the next website. And the name of this website is R7 URL short. So that's what you're going to do, guys. You're going to shorten your link. So when you shorten a link and people click on their link and watch your video, you're going to make money. Now let me show you how much money you're going to make. So we're going to click right here where it says publisher rates. It's going to take you to this page. And as you can see here, it shows all the countries. So whatever country you're in, that's how much money you're going to make. And for every 1,000 views, if you live in Canada, you're going to get $3. United Kingdom, get $3. United States, $3. Australia, $3. And everywhere else in the world, all the other countries, $2. So this is worldwide, y'all. You guys always say, hey, this don't work in my country. This method don't work in my country. Well, this method should work in your country. But if you have any issues or trouble trying to get this method to work, please put a message down in the comments and let me know that this doesn't work in your country. So what you're going to do, guys, is once you shorten the link, which I'll show you how to do in a minute. Once you shorten the link, you're going to take it to another site where it shows thousands and even thousands upon thousands of people that are interested in Minecraft videos. So I'm going to show you that in a minute. But first, I want to show you some payment proof. Okay, so I'm at the payment proof page. And as you can see here, this person right here, they've cashed out $19.54 through PayPal. So this person right here has made $10. This person right here has made $22. I know it's not much, but it's some money. And some people want to cash out quickly. They don't want to just keep promoting the links and everything. And probably some of them don't use more than one video. You want to use more than one video to maximize the amount of money you're going to make. So, but some people want to get, some money right away. So they make their money real quick and then they cash out through PayPal. So I just want to show you that this is legit. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is show you how the link is shortened. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account so I can show you that. Okay, guys, I'm inside my account. So once you sign up and you log in and you have your link, your video link, you're going to go right here where it says new shortener link. Click that. It's going to take you here and you put your link up here at the top like this, and then you click shortener and boom, there's the shortened link. So you want to copy this link, and I'm going to show you a site, like I said before, that has thousands and thousands of people that love Minecraft videos, like to play it and like to watch it. So I'm going to take you over there. Okay, guys, I'm at the next website. So the name of this website is Planet Minecraft. So as you can see here, this post right here says 56,000. So that means about 56,000 people have been on this website, on this post right here. And this one 133,000, this one 114,000, this one 167,000. So guys, what you need, and look, this is recently, 37 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, 24 minutes ago. So this is recently, guys, it's recently. So what you're going to do is take your link, your shortened link, and you're going to go in one of these threads on this Minecraft forum, and you're just going to start talking about Minecraft. And you're going to, all you have to say is, if you want to check out a Minecraft video that's going on right now, live stream, click on this link. And they're going to click on the link and go check out the video. So that's it, guys. This method is straightforward. It's real simple. It's a few steps you have to take, but it's real simple. You really don't have to do much, and you're going to start making some good money fast. So if you're ready to go ahead and start with this method, go to YouTube, look for Minecraft live streaming videos, then go to R7 URL shortener, sign up, shorten your link, then come to this website and drop your link in one of these posts or threads. And boom, watch the money start rolling in. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Now, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. Let me tell you about the special bonus. The special bonus is this. Please type this word that's going to pop up on the screen right now It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So go ahead and type that down in the comments right now. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. And help me get to 6,000 subscribers. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. I just want to thank you for getting me to 5,815. Let's keep going, guys. One more thing. Let me go ahead and do a shout out. I'm going to try to do a shout out every video. So shout out to this person right here. I'm going to pop it up on the screen. Thank you for your comment. So, hey, go check that person out, guys. See if he got a channel, because I want to help people. If they got a YouTube channel, I want to help them to grow their YouTube channels too. So go check them out if they have anything to offer. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day. Get your grind.